What's up, guys? Today we have a very special package that we'll be looking at. I'm sure most of you love this one because you loved the last one so much. So let's get right into the video. Right here, this is how the box comes. As usual, you have the deal sign, and at the side you have the details of the shoe, the color, size, and style. The box came in pristine condition, as you can see. So let's get right into the full details of this package. Opening up the box, the first thing we get to see is all the extra items that comes in the package. Now, on the first note, this is the receipt. You have deal reading out here, and you get the receipt in the envelope. The receipt entails the price of the items, just as you would have it when you get out of the store. Now you can also store your receipt in this format by just folding it into two. Up to the next one, we have this beautiful bag, the shopping bag, just in case you want to put the item right into the shopping bag and see if you were just walking out of the store. We also have a dust bag that comes with it. I'm always loving the dust bag because I usually like to use them to store the shoes, and most of the times I use it to package the shoes when I have to travel with them. It makes everything stay clean as it was. Further getting into details, right here we will have deal engraved on this paper in the packaging. I don't know what it's usually called. And this is the details of the seller, just if you want to purchase yours. You would also find every other information in the description, and I've also secured a $15 discount for you. Now back to this beauty. As usual, we always have a very clean fit. This is just absolutely gorgeous. I always have to make my research to make sure I give you guys the best. Always making sure you get the best quality. I think this is called the B30 in chrome. I'm not too sure, but I think so. This is in the detailing of silver, dark gray, bluish tints, and orange. On the front part, we have these beautiful details where DOB30 is written. On the side, we have CD standing for Christian Dior right there. And as well as the back, we have net details, which happens to be light blue in color. We have CD reading at the back as well. And the stitching on this is totally perfectly made. The quality of the shoe is really amazing. I know I have said this previously, but I just have to say it over and over again because I have them right on my palm and I know what I feel. Take a look into the details of the shoe, the color match. Everything is just perfect. I previously had the plain white one and I was wondering why I lose out on this in the first place. I never knew this shoe are gonna be this bomb. As you can see, everything seems to be in its perfect place. If you're sleeping on my suppliers, then you're actually missing out on the real deal. On the front part, we have this beautiful mesh net line, and on the inside, we have the deal written inside there. As you can see, I'm trying to feel it on the shoe just to show you how very sturdy it feels. Moving over to under the sole of the shoe, you can see the B30 made in Italy written out there, Dior and CD as well. With this black-white contrast, I really love that. And now we're just gonna put both shoes together. just to make sure everything looks right and well placed. And as you can see in full details, everything looks as it's supposed to be. And now I'm just gonna put them down to let you enjoy close-up details of the sneakers. Now let's look at this on feet.